Today we are tackling a problem involving the translation of F# code into Raku. The F# code defines the types meat and ingredient, along with functions to create a burrito object. The challenge is to make the shinable operation work in Raku, replicating the functionality of the F# code. It's an interesting challenge that involves understanding and mimicking the structure of another programming language within Raku. The solution involves structuring the Raku code to mirror the F# implementation as closely as possible. We define enums for meat and ingredient, create functions to manipulate burrito objects, and implement the shinable operation using infix notation. By following the provided solution code, we can successfully translate the F# logic into Raku while maintaining the shinable nature of the operations. The key lies in correctly implementing the helper functions and ensuring the shinable operation works as intended. In summary, we have successfully translated the F# code into Raku by carefully structuring the Raku code to mimic the functionality of the original F# implementation. The solution provided demonstrates how to create shinable operations in Raku that mirror the behavior of the F# code. It's a great exercise in understanding different programming paradigms and applying them in a new language. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Your support means a lot.